Hello viewers, welcome back to again my YouTube channel BobPixie HairCuts. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope you people are pretty fine, doing very well. Today I am showing you the best entertaining designs of haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I give you a brand new hairstyles of haircut and hair dye color ideas. Short pixie bob haircuts. All designs are so gorgeous, so fabulous and trendy. Guys, I am showing the best entertaining designs of 2022. You can get ideas from my videos about color contrast. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification all of my videos. Friends, today's video is very stylish USA curls, Russian curls, German curls, haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I must suggest you to watch this video till the end. Friends, if you like my videos, you can share it on your social media account, share it with your family members, so that they can to visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing collection and get unique ideas. Friends, will continue to watch and support my videos. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. I love this haircut. Save your profile. So guys, please visit my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification all of my videos, and you will never miss any collections, any videos of my channel. And don't forget to feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me, motivates me, bring to more useful content and more useful videos. Guys, I have uploaded different haircut designs. Do you have new ideas, new haircuts and hairstyle ideas? Amazing, very stylish plus size bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. If you are a businesswoman or as a housewife, these haircuts will look very beautiful. I hope you enjoy my videos today. I will daily post like this different short hairstyles, different hair pixie fine look over that is beautiful hairstyle I shall be showing in my video today. Super stunning and stylish short haircuts, jaw length bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Today you will see in these videos and solid eye color ideas, very outstanding. You can see this new short pixie bob haircuts hairstyles. Thank you much. Watch my full video and take a screenshot of whatever haircut or hairstyle you like. After taking a screenshot, you can share it on your social media accounts. And whenever you have haircut or hairstyle your hair by showing this picture, you can get your haircut from beauty salon in your area. Dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Most trending, very stylish short bob haircuts. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You can get amazing of different haircuts and hairstyle ideas. How did you like our videos, or how do you like our channel videos, and what you want to see you on our channel? I will be happy very to follow your comments. So friends will definitely comment. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. You can get your haircut from any beauty salon in your area. Please subscribe my channel and share my channel after members and family members. Okay, bye, take care, thanks for watching.